Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix disabled Wi-Fi on an Android phone. Right, so easy fixes right here. You're going to try to restart your phone, okay, and check if it helps. Now, if that won't work, you're going to try to connect to a different Wi-Fi, okay. If you have other Wi-Fi options, just got to try to connect to it and check if it connects. If it connects, okay, the problem is within your router, okay. Or if the other Wi-Fi doesn't connect as well, the problem is within your phone. Okay, so if the problem is within your phone, just go and try to connect to a hotspot or mobile data. Okay, if it works, well, let's move forward. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and find the settings app of our phone. Now, once we're in here, go ahead over to connections. Now go ahead and tap on Wi-Fi. Go ahead and tap on the three dots right here at the top right. Tap on advanced settings, just like so. Down here, just make sure that you enable both Hotspot 2.0 and Web. Okay, now let's go ahead and go back. Tap on the gear icon beside your Wi-Fi. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on View More. Okay, and here we have the MAC address type. Okay, so what you're going to do is just make sure that you select Randomized MAC. Select this option. And if you do have this option in your router as well, if you can access your router, make sure that you select a randomized MAC as well. Okay, that's basically it. Once that's selected, go ahead and restart your phone, check your Wi-Fi, and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.